Alright, good afternoon everyone. This is Jigabachi with Dorian. You know,
What's going on, guys?
you two, we're about to play some StarCraft, but we're about to play a Slender version of StarCraft.
Fuck!
So,
Creepy.
that's not who's chasing us either. Alright, so the point of the game is to collect all the canisters and avoid being, you know, having our buttholes touched by the crazy adjutant that is chasing us, while at the same time dodging visual effects and all that fun stuff.
Let's do Haunted Forest, or
No, we're gonna do. You click one. It's vote.
I don't want to do it.
Okay, so I think
Like it's first person?
F. Yes, it's first person. F key for spotlight. Do you see me?
Oh my god, dude, I'm fucking...
Okay. So we gotta go around and collect these canisters, but you also have to look out because there's what's called the ghost. It's a randomly spawned thing that will follow you. That will follow both of us.
Hold on, watch me. I gotta turn some music down.
Okay. Is your wife watching this?
No, she's not.
I'm actually in the channel with you guys.
Even better.
No.
Alright, so we.
Fucked up. Dude, run. Here she comes. I don't know where I'm going, I'm kidding.
I don't see her.
Alright, you walk backwards, I'll walk forward.
Okay, so we also have to. Oh God! Okay, don't do it. I just got the fucking goosebumps. Don't look behind you. Don't. That's not us. That's not us. Stay away from it.
I don't like this.
Stay away from him. Don't go near him. Don't. Oh! Okay. We're good. We're being followed by the adjutant and oh god, a ghost at the same time. This is not fun. And we haven't even found any canisters yet. Okay. Oh, okay. She's fuck. I got goosebumps. Okay, so we gotta find these canisters. Are you okay, Dorian? You doing good over there?
Dude, no, I'm myself.
I thought you just emptied your bladder.
Twice.
Okay. Oh god. Okay. Oh, over here. For canister over here. Okay. All right. So this is just like almost exactly like. Oh, I got. Where'd you go?
Oh god.
Where'd you go? Blink your light. Where'd you go? I'm behind you. I'm blinking my light.
I just saw the entrance over there.
Woo! He's behind me. Okay. All right. We're good.
Jesus Christ.
No. We're good.
No, I just saw a flash on my screen and it disappeared.
Oh, Roy. Okay. So that's how we're gonna know that I am me and you are you. We're gonna flash our lights. Okay. So we're gonna go through.
Here's a better idea. Let's just not split up.
Okay. No. That's exactly what I'm saying. All right. Scary tunnel. Here we go. Scary tunnel. There's nothing in the tunnel. There's almost never anything in this tunnel. Okay. All right. We're good. We're doing good. Okay. She's right behind us. So it's not as scary as Slender, but it still gets me sometimes. And it's much scarier with a bunch of people. Oh my god, we're not finding anything.
Is she still behind us?
I'm too scared. Ah, you fucking is. Oh, canister! I see one.
Alright, hold on. We're gonna go together.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab it.
Okay. Go. Okay, so as you guys know... Oh, there's another one by the fence!
Oh god. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
What was that? Get it! Just get it! Go! Come on!
Fuck out of me. Don't do that.
What?
She's following me.
Oh man, she does not look happy.
Oh, if you hold shift, you run.
Okay, well let's try not to run. Okay, there's water over here, so...
What the fuck was that? Hold on. Oh, okay. There's water splashing.
Okay,
Dude,
alright.
she's under us.
No! I don't want it! Okay, I'm going to the water. There's a canister in here. There's 2 canisters in here. I'm going for the... Oh god! Oh fuck! Dude, like my hands are tingling right now. That's how bad she scared me. Did you get it?
Yeah, where'd you go? Oh, she's fucking at me. Look at me.
This is why we don't play horror games. Oh, there's a ghost!
You just scared the fucking shit out of me.
That wasn't me! That was the ghost!
There's a ghost following me?
Yes! And I'm right beside you! Dude, I'm fucking sweating.
I'm ready to get you.
Okay, I saw. Okay. Oh, God, fuck! She's behind you. She's right there. She is. Oh, where are you? Where'd you go?
I'm sprinting.
Is that you? I'm blinking at you. Oh, why is that tree on fire? And that tree disappeared. Okay. Dude, we're screwed. We're screwed because I'm right behind you, dummy.
Okay, she's right behind you.
Okay, so I think we're kind of fucked because we have to go. Did you hear the music change?
No, I have my sound disabled, but she's fucking sprinting at me.
Oh God. Okay. Oh shit! Oh, okay, sorry guys, I screamed. Oh God, that really. Oh God, I think I'm gonna kill the ears of all my viewers. Oh no! Oh God. Oh, that was really loud.
She turned right at you. She almost killed me.
Okay. Did I break your? Oh, she's right. Oh, she's right there. Oh God, what are you doing? Dorian, where are you? Dude, hold me. Hold me, Dorian, please. Oh, she's right in front of me. She's right in front of me. Oh, tree on fire. Well, Dorian, where are you, dude? Oh, God damn it. Shit. Ah. Oh, she got me. She got me.
I tried saving you. She killed me too.
What on earth? You guys are ridiculous.
Oh, the struggles.
What the fuck? What happened? I don't want to quit.
No chairs. No.
Oh, uh-oh. What happened? And it just... Oh, you did?
I tried to save you.
No, it's alright. Oh my God, dude, that was... I probably literally murdered all the ears of my viewers. I'm gonna turn my volume down real quick.
Are you really in gold ranking?
No.
Oh, I think I just pooped a little. No! Why are we doing this again?
We're gonna do another level. It's gonna be good. Oh man. Okay, so we're gonna vote on the next one. Hold on. Ah, my God, my fucking jaw hurts from screaming that loud. Okay, we're gonna do the bottom one. Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah, this one's worse. This one's worse. Okay.
Oh, thanks for letting me know that.
Because I figured if I let you do it, if I told you, you wouldn't do it. So we also got Dorian's wife here with us, so she's gonna be laughing at our pain as we go through the hellish abyss that is.
I don't want to do this shit.
We gotta do it. We gotta do it now. We're invested. We are invested. Oh, I think there's a canister over here. We're invested. We can't stop now. We just can't. There's a bunch of dead dudes over here.
We're gonna get up.
Ew. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, okay. Alright, here we go. Oh, found a canister, found a canister. Found a canister. Okay. Gonna back up with it. Alright, here we go. I'm leading the charge. I don't normally ever... Oh, man. Long, scary... Oh, God! Oh, fuck! Right there! Oh, God. I'm sorry, Jess. I didn't mean to. Oh, God. I'm going to title this episode... Oh, God, what are you doing? Stop! Stop running. It looks creepy. You're shaking your ass at me. Is she...
She's right on your balls.
Ah... Fuck, she got me so bad. Okay. But remember, she can only chase one of us. Oh God. Is this a dead end? Oh, no. Okay. It's the ambient music, man. I swear. It's all
I'm glad I have my sound off.
it's all the music right now. Is she behind me still?
Okay, there she is.
Okay. Dude, right back at the start.
No! Oh, she got me.
Oh, bro, you would. Okay, right click, and I need you to look out for me. Oh God.
See what's on your screen, dude.
You know what? Fuck you, bitch. I'm done. I got a pussy out. I couldn't do it.
Why do you do this to me?
Oh man.
No.
Those are the only 2 levels. Do you want to go one more time with the Dark Forest? Because we only got 10 minutes on this. We at least need another 6.
Fine.
Dude, I'm sweating so bad right now, and it's not even like hot in my room. Like
Oh God, there's a group of people.
Oh, good.
Well, I should also invite you to play the plan.
Talking to random people on YouTube is always awesome.
There, I sent you an invite.
Oh, sweet! Oh, dude, cool. I've been meaning to ask you if you had a Dead End Heroes clan.
Of course I do.
I mainly play Protoss. Oh, man.
Also, I can't see your stream. Is it even up?
No, I meant streaming, but I'm recording this. Yeah, on OBS, and OBS is fucking awesome. He's like, you have a mic? Like, yeah, but I'm kind of a bitch, so. I don't know if we're starting now.
You know, just because I'm a little bitch, I'm gonna go with the light pink color. Actually, no, you go with the light pink color. You're more of a bitch.
No. I can't change my color. Oh, there I am. You know what? I'm gonna go light pink just to say fuck you. Okay, so we gotta follow Michael. Whoever Mike, we gotta follow Michael. Apparently, Michael will be our savior.
Dude, your mic is on in the game too.
Is it? Is my mic on right now? Oh, it's because it's on the controller.
Yeah, just turn that shit off.
Or I can switch it. There you go. I swapped it. What's our single? Well, I can throw a ring on it.
Fuck off.
Signal! Signale! Signale! Salala helele. I don't know what the fuck that's supposed to mean.
Dude, this motherfucker's gonna like follow us around and not turn his light on, and he's just gonna follow us like he's a ghost.
Oh god. Gaming guy. Okay. So I'm light pink. Dorian. I'm gonna flash my light twice. That's how you know it's gonna be me. And we're gonna say fuck that group and we're gonna go do our own thing.
Fuck that shit. I'm spamming my light. I don't give a fuck what you say.
No. That way you know it's me because our names don't display.
I know, so I'm gonna be spamming my light on and off. That way you know it's me.
Oh. Well, I was... Okay. Yep. Well, yeah.
Recommended. Use headphones, maximum music and sound volume. Nope.
No.
Nope.
And that's a whole... That's all of my... All of my nopes are going to that. Okay, here we go. See what they vote for.
No, don't oppose. Alright, we're... Cheers. Alright, I'm spamming mine right now.
Wait. Oh, where are you? Hold on.
I'm still in the center.
Is that you?
Did you just walk up to me?
Yes, with your big black man.
Yeah, you got big black man too. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go big black. Alright, let's go this way. Let's go.
Where'd you go?
Let's go this way. Fuck that
Why are we
group.
going this way?
I don't know. Fuck that group.
Oh god, someone already left the game.
What a puss. What a pussy. Alright. Let's do this. Okay. Now remember, the adjutant can... Hold on. Adjutant can only chase... Is that... I don't know if that's a ghost following us. I think that's a ghost following us. Nope, it's not.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because he turned around. Ghosts don't turn around or have lights. Okay, we need to search this building. We need to search the building first, because we need to get that out of the way.
Nope. Fuck that. Hey, a canister. You just walked by it.
Okay.
Oh god, the guy just scared me. He just fucking charged me.
Is there a canister in there? No canister.
Nope, fuck
Keep
that.
moving.
I'm not going in there.
Yep. We gotta find the build. We gotta find the complex, and we have to go through it. Oh, there it is.
Why do we have to go through it?
Because if we don't, then and we try to if we try to go, hold on. If we try to go through it at a later stage in the game, we're gonna fucking die. She's not behind us, so. Oh man. This is never good. Oh, canister. Careful, because there's dead ends here.
Don't push me, motherfucker.
Dead end. Oh god, this is a dead end. Oh god, this is a dead end. Oh, you don't hear that? Where is she?
I'm looking. Ah!
Oh god! Dorian, no! Dorian, no! Dorian, help me, please!
I'm running.
Dorian, help me, please! Oh, that's a ghost. That's a wait. Is it a ghost? Ah, shit! Fuck! I pooped a little bit. Dorian, where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Oh god! Okay, I see. She's on your ball sack. Okay, we're going towards the water. Oh, gaming guy is the one who was with us. We boxed him in.
I don't like this game.
Okay, there's a canister. Got it.
I got one too.
Okay.
Just keep going straight.
Okay.
Straight.
I can hear her breathing.
I actually don't see her anymore at all.
I can hear her breathing. Okay, I don't hear her breathing anymore. Canister up ahead, by the fire. Okay,
So that building's a whole lot. Oh god, she's right there.
we're good. Oh, my nipples. My nipples are so hard right now.
Balls are in my stomach.
I bet Jess is fucking loving this.
No, why are we going back to this building? No.
No, this is the tunnel.
Oh shit, that tree tried to kill me.
She's behind us, yeah. Tunnel! Just go through it.
The tunnel's scary though.
It really is scary. Okay, look behind me.
She's not there.
Oh, that's even worse. Over here, over here, over here, to the right, to the right. There's a, there's a. I'm right here behind you. I'm right behind you.
Oh, she's right here. Over
Ah, shit! Okay, we gotta look around. Oh God, what is that? What was that? Oh shit! Oh, dude, oh my God. Okay. Title of this episode: Turn your volume down before playing. There's a dog. A dog ran at me. I don't know. Is there a ghost following us? Ghost.
Oh God! Fuck! Oh, she got me.
Who's up still? Who's up still?
You and Michael. Michael's running without a flashlight like an idiot. And you.
Oh, good God. Oh, shit, what was that? Oh, dude, I'm sweating so bad. This game should not be scary.
Roll at you?
I have no idea what you did.
Yo, to your left, to your left, to your left, to your left. There's a canister.
Oh, God. Okay. Yeah, the dogs. Oh, dude, the dogs scare me so bad.
Oh God, to your right, to your right, to your right.
I got it.
Why do you keep flashing your light?
Oh no, I'm stuck! I'm stuck! I'm stuck!
Not him.
Yeah, right. Oh, dude, I was stuck on that tree. Oh, dude! Oh, God, am I the only one left?
Yeah, Mike's still alive. Fireside's alive.
Oh, God. I don't think we've gone through that building over there. Michael, run, the bitch is on you.
Nope, that's a cornfield.
And I don't like this. Stop! You freaking douche! Bro, my hands are sweating so bad. I'm just gonna walk like this. I'm just gonna walk like this.
I wouldn't do that.
Okay. Alright. Oh, I'm being followed by a ghost.
Michael's sitting right behind a fucking tree.
Yep, being followed by a ghost. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I don't like this. I really don't like this now. The ghost is behind Jigga. Oh shit! Oh no! Like, I'm not even looking for canisters at this point. I'm just trying to live.
Be free, young Jigga.
Oh, stop!
What the fuck was that crossed the screen?
That was her, dude. I peed a little bit. I peed a little bit. Oh, 12. Okay. We're good. We're okay. I'm okay.
I'm trying to find Michael.
Oh, oh, dude, you know my feet are sweating. Like that's how bad this is right now. No, I'm still alive. Unfortunately.
The ghost is following Jig, or the other guy. He's coming up to the tunnel right now.
Nope, Ghost is following me too.
Yeah, he's at the tunnel.
Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm at the tunnel. I see him. Oh shit! Oh god! Oh! Oh, she got me. Oh my god, okay. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. I probably won't be doing this again. I know Dorian definitely won't be doing this again.
Nope.
But you can check out his channel. I'll leave an annotation or a link to his channel down below in the description below. Leave a like or subscribe. Yeah, that's bye.